Hi guys, I'm Jill.
I'm Tony. We're in the desert.
We are on top of our RV right now, watching the sunrise before there is this big windstorm they're talking about coming.
Bomb cyclone.
Yeah, they call it a bomb cyclone. I actually heard about that from somebody else on Instagram. There was a bomb cyclone last month in Colorado. So I guess it's a big windstorm, and we're here in New Mexico boondocking, and I guess it's stored, like part of it's heading our way.
We're gonna catch the tail end.
But the tail end says what?
70-mile-an-hour wind gusts.
With 35-mile-an-hour winds in like the next 2 hours.
I don't know though. I think we have enough coverage. We're not in the open desert. We're in the high desert, so there's brush, trees
bits of trees
that'll be flying at the RV.
Yeah.
Instead of just sand.
So we're gonna put the bikes away and roll up the rug and just get everything put away so that we don't have a bunch of debris and stuff blowing around.
And then if we have to, just slides in and hit the road. That's the lovely part about a Class C.
It is, except we're not gonna hit the road while it's super windy.
Well, you know what I'm saying.
When it's over.
Yes.
And we're like,
when it's over and we need to shower.
We'll see how this goes. Yeah. Windy and the big gusts are pretty strong, but we're getting by. We're just feeling a little bit of cabin fever. The kids are itching to get outside, but it's just so cold and windy with the sand in their face that I don't want it to get in their eyes.
Well, it wasn't as bad as the weather forecasters made it out to be, but we did end up with a big surprise by nightfall, didn't we?
That was a big surprise. This is totally sleet. It is not rain. It is sleeting.
It's snowing.
I wouldn't say this is snow. These are like balls of... It's sleet.
It's snowing in the desert, Swim.
It's
Snowing in the desert. It tastes so good.
Yeah, the kids haven't seen snow in like over 2 years since we hit the road because we've been staying south for every winter to try and stay warm. So they were really excited to see that, I don't know, sleet, snow.
Yeah, especially in the desert.
Eat off the air. It's so good.
What's in your hair? Are you eating it out of your hair?
Yeah. It's snowing. It's snowing in the desert.
It is snowing. Or sleeting. We can't quite figure it out, can we?
This spot. This is rigged. Every other campsite doesn't have snow.
Are you liking the snow, Lo?
Yes. This way. Oh, what if we make snow?
But we love boondocking, and we're going to make our way towards Utah to go start hitting the Mighty Five. So you'll have to check out our next video.
Yeah, our next video is going to be on Canyonlands National Park. That is where we're headed next. We're so excited to get out to Utah and start covering some of the national parks. So make sure and click on the next video below, you guys, and we will catch you later.
Bye.
Bye, guys.